To resize an image in Photoshop, go to Image, Image Size. This will open the Image Size dialog box. Here we can see the current details of this image. We have file size, the overall dimensions, and the resolution. Here we have a little chain icon. When this is active, Photoshop will maintain the original aspect ratio of the image. So if we change the width, Photoshop will automatically change the height to maintain the original proportion. If we turn this off, then we can stretch or squeeze the image. Now, let's look at the resample option. If you check resample, Photoshop will maintain the original resolution of the image, regardless of the overall dimensions. So as an example, if you increase the dimensions of the image, the file size gets larger. If you decrease the dimensions of the image, the file size gets smaller. All the while, the resolution of the image stays the same. This is what happens when you resample. If you uncheck resample, something else will happen. The file size will remain the same regardless of the dimensions of the image. This means as you make the dimension of the image larger, the image will become more pixelated. If you make the dimensions of the image smaller, the image will become more detailed or sharper. That's what happens when you don't resample. Let's try this in the dialog box. Here we have our image. It's 342 kilobytes. We have the dimensions and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. We've got resample checked. We're going to make the dimensions of this image smaller. Now, the file size has gone down. It's gone from 342 kilobytes to 86 kilobytes. The file has got smaller, the dimensions have got smaller, but the resolution has stayed the same. Now let's uncheck resample and see what happens. Here's our file size, overall dimensions, and the resolution. Let's make this image smaller. Now what's happened is the file size has stayed the same, the dimensions of the image have got smaller, and the resolution has increased. So as we make this image smaller, it's going to become sharper. That's basically the difference between resampling and not resampling.